Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to post longer videos on Messenger Stories, making problem solving simple and easy to follow. So stick with me, and I'll show you the steps clearly. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. Once the app opens, look at the top left corner. You'll see Create Story with a plus icon. Tap on it to start creating your story. After tapping Create Story, your gallery will open. Now select the long video you want to upload to your story. Messenger will tell you that long videos cannot be uploaded as a single clip, but don't worry, there's an alternative method. The alternative is to split your long video into 2 clips. Upload each clip separately to your story, one after another. This way, you can share longer videos on Messenger Stories without any issues. So, this is how you can post longer videos on Messenger Stories step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to Solution Lab for more easy tutorials. And leave a comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help.